Your site isn't showing up how or where you wanted to in search results, and let's face it, search engine optimization can be notoriously complicated. Hiring an SEO pro is often prohibitively expensive, and trying to figure it out on your own is time consuming. That's why we created WP SEO Hub, the first do-it-yourself WordPress SEO platform that complements your favorite SEO plugins like Yoast. Let's take a quick tour to show you how WP SEO Hub can make SEO work for you. The dashboard is the hub of all your SEO efforts. Find out what SEO tasks you need to be completing, and make informed decisions thanks to real-time data from Google Analytics that helps you understand website traffic volume, along with keyword and Google Maps performance. From there, the SEO Checklist offers step-by-step guidance for optimizing your WordPress website. Each step of the checklist comes with its own video and text tutorials. These will help you understand what it is you're doing and why it is you're doing it. Finish a step and check off the box before moving on to the next. Work through the entire checklist in 3 to 4 hours to optimize your WordPress website. Once you've completed the checklist, maintain your rankings with monthly tasks that allow you to continually improve your site's SEO. We'll also send you monthly reports so you can accurately gauge the progress you're making and inform your decisions with data. You can even do keyword research right in WP SEO Hub. And, better yet, you can track the performance of each and every keyword on your list. You can also make sure your Google Maps and Google My Business listings are up to date and properly distributed thanks to the WP SEO Hub local search function. And if you ever get hung up, we're here to help you out with dozens of easy to understand how-to tutorials and by giving you the ability to sign up for one-on-one personalized coaching sessions with SEO experts on our staff. Take control of how and where you appear in search results and start your free trial today.